So hello everyone, a very warm welcome. Very good evening guys. I hope you guys are doing good. So guys, very warm welcome to the another session conducted by Olymp Trade broker. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I'm your financial expert for the day. I hope you guys are doing good and everything is going fine on your side. And I'm sure that you guys are excited to learn a new strategy. So the name of the strategy that is already visible in the description, the name of the strategy is RODEO. So we will be talking about this strategy, how we can use it, how we can apply it, and in case if that is not available to you, like you haven't reached to that specific level on the platform and that strategy is still locked, so nothing to worry about that one. Stay connected. I'll be giving you information that how you can apply it manually. So without wasting any time guys, make sure that you send the link of this webinar to your dear ones, to your colleague, friends, relatives, whosoever is trading on platform or whosoever is wishing to learn trading. So just spread the link of this live webinar, and just to make sure that as much as people can join us, and we will be starting with today's strategy. Before proceeding to the strategy guys, a couple of things I want to tell you and I want to confirm from your end. The first one, that comment section, the chat box that is already open for you guys. If you will be finding any difficulties, any doubt, any question, any queries, feel free to write them. I'll be taking all of your comments. Make sure that you are talking about the trading side, because this is the only one hour session, so we will be trying to talk about trading only. If you will be having any another concerns, you can talk about that one, but make sure that respecting each and every one, we will not be spamming the messages or nothing will be doing like that. And the second thing, if my audio and my video is completely clear, make sure you mention me the same in the comment section. So if any difficulty, any doubt is there, so we will be fixing it right away. So we will hardly wait for another 2 minutes and then we will proceed for today's strategy. And in the meantime guys, tell me like how your trading is going on, like is everything working fine? If you are facing any difficulties, any concerns, feel free to write in the comment section. So I'll be taking your comments and I'll be trying to help you. If I'll give you an overview about this today's session, so we will be talking about the strategy, some additional tips, how we can improve another aspect like something like money management, risk management, which are some of the key points to become a successful trader. And apart from that, I'll be also giving you some information about a couple of websites or something like that, which can help you to grab some useful information, some useful data to improve your trading. So as I can see that a couple of people have joined, but nobody has confirmed me yet. Guys, please confirm me if my audio and my video is clear, so I can proceed further. Abhinav Singh Rathore, so he's having a first question. Is this for FTT? Sir, you can use it for both FTT and Forex both. It's a very easy to use strategy also. And guys, whosoever is joining us these webinars for the first time, make sure you subscribe the channel so you will keep on getting the notification, because we are keep on coming live on every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So Tuesday and Thursday in Hindi, Wednesday and Friday in English. So the channel is same, so make sure you. Thank you so much Abhinav, thank you so much for the confirmation. So guys, without wasting more time, we will kick off today's session. So before proceeding ahead guys, let me introduce myself again. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am financial expert. I'm working for Olymp Trade broker, and this I am welcoming you guys to this new session, to brand new session, and I'm sure that you are ready to learn the new strategy. So the screen which is visible to you guys, this is a application version which I have downloaded in my laptop. So there is a possibility that you might be using a mobile phone or you might be using the platform in the browser. So nothing to worry about that one. All the buttons and all the features are available to you guys also, but there is a possibility that the button will be visible here and there. So like they might be at a different location. So first we'll proceed that how we can apply this strategy. So as you can see that there is a tower, we'll click on the third button, which is technical analysis. My friend, those who are using the application version, okay, so according to you, how much percentage will it be profitable? See, Abhinav, let me be honest with you. It's not about that how much success rate you can grab from this strategy. It all depends how you utilize it. There is a possibility that there is a possibility that there will be one strategy which I am using and you might be using also, and I'll be able to grab only a success rate of 50%, but you might be able to grab 60 or 70 also, or it could be vice versa. And apart from that, it is not only the success rate of this strategy which indicate that how much profit you are going to make. There are a lot of things. Just stay connected. I'll be talking about that one, or I'll be giving you some example also which will help you to understand that it is not only the success rate which matters to make profit on a platform. So first we will talk about that one, then again I'll come back to the point. Hello Deepak ji, very warm good evening. So I was talking about how we can apply. So I'll click on the technical analysis. So this screen is going to be visible for you guys. Those who are using the platform on the as an application version, so the same button will be visible to you at this place. So on the top your balance is going to be there, just below that there is going to be your asset name, and just write to that in the same shape. It's like a alphabet A of English, so it's something similar to that one. That button will be visible here. So once you will click that one, new window will pop up at the bottom. So you just need to click on the strategies, just scroll a bit down, and the last strategy of expert level is RODEO. Today we are going to talk about the same one. So I'll click on the strategy. There is a piece of information and a small video. You can watch the video later on also. It's just for the reference in case in future if you skip something or anything skip out of your mind, so you can just check this video. If I'll talk about the strategy, so what it's saying that this strategy is one of the traders' favorite. It's a counter trend strategy that relies on high Kanashi candles, stochastic and MACD indicator. High Kanashi's color changes is the key indication that suggests a coming trend change. Oscillators are used as a confirmation here. Make sure you watch the video for the instruction. Like right now you do not need to watch the video because I am here for, to help you guys, but for future you can check. Here is the information that which oscillators are there, stochastic is there, and we are also going to use MACD. So the best part of high Kanashi candle, guys, like this is not only going to give you the representation of the chart, it is also giving you an indication that which trend is there in the market, whether it is a bullish or a bearish or whether, so you can check with the color of the candle. I'll talk about brief in that one, but first we'll proceed with the strategy. I'll click on the enable strategy, and here we go. The strategy is automatically applied on the screen. So those, my friends, those who are haven't reached on the expert level as of now, just guys make sure you take a screenshot of this one, or you can make a note that what frequency we need to apply, because this strategy do not need to buy anything or something like that. You can apply it manually also. All you just need to take care that the frequency for the stochastic is 1433 and MACD 12 16 26 12 26 and 9. How you can apply? The same button we will click. I'll search for the stochastic. So guys, you can see that there are two stochastic. The first one is normal one, the second one is with the RSI. So we will opt for the stochastic normal. I'll click on that one, that will be applied. The same I'll go with the MACD also. So this is how you can apply it manually, and then you can save it. So far guys, if you have any question, any doubt, any confusion, make sure you mention in the comment section, and I'll be talking about that also. And Abhinavji, I still remember your question, so I'll be talking about that as well. Please stay connected. Okay, so now how this strategy works. Before coming to that, a couple of things I'll be changing in this strategy. Like this is not the frequency, this is only the visual representation, because I believe that that is a bit more easy to understand. So what I'll be doing, I'll just remove the MACD line, I'll remove the signal, and this histogram I'll convert to the line. The reason behind that, see, if I zoom in, so there are a couple of places when I am not sure that in which direction that MACD is proceeding, but if I'll just convert it to the line, then that will be a bit more easy for me. This is up to your choice. You can use it as it is, or you can make some changes, but do not make any changes in the frequency. Okay. And one okay, Deepak ji is saying, sir, my biggest problem is money management. I can't follow. Please guide. For sure, sir, because this is one of the concern which will be covering the answer of Abhinav Singh Rathore also. So stay connected. I'll be talking about your money management as well, and that I'll try my best to help you with that. Okay. So now I'll talk about how this strategy works. So guys, in this strategy we will be getting 3 indications. The first one we will be getting from these candles, high Kanashi candles. So as the color represent, if the red candle is there, it can it is giving to give you an indication that market can go into the downward direction. Vice versa, if the green candle is there, it can go into the upward. First confirmation is there. Very easy, fair enough. Second one we will get from the MACD line. So as we can see that there is a base level which is 0. So whenever the MACD line will intersect the base level in the upward direction, it will give the indication that market can go into the upward side. There could be a upward trend. The bullish trend is going to be there. Vice versa, if the MACD is intersecting in the downward, I know it's already there in your mind, it can go into the downward direction. Third one, which is one of my favorite, the stochastic one. So in this one, guys, first we will talk about only the basic one, how you can use this strategy with the basic standards. Once you will start implementing, you will start practicing, you will find 100 of another cases that how you can improve this strategy. So so if I'll talk about the basic one, so in this stochastic we are going to focus this middle part, because yesterday I took a session. So in that one, some of the traders, they were getting confused with that, like they were taking the signals out of this window. So I'll repeat myself that you need to focus on this middle part. How we will take the suggestion or the indication or the signal from this stochastic. So whenever this blue line will cross over this part, either it is a oversold one or overbought one. So like if I'll talk about in a bit more brief, so this is the oversold zone, the green one, this is the overbought zone. So whenever this blue line will cross and move out outside of this gray part, and it will be somewhere in this window, so there is a possibility that there will be some price correction and this blue line will start coming downwards. So whenever it will touch this line and it will intersect, we will take a downward trade. We can take a downward trade, and same whenever it is going into the oversold zone and coming back to this window, we will take a upward trade. I hope guys it is completely clear for you. If any doubt is there, guys, I can see that there are no much comments in the comment section. If any doubt is there, feel free to write over there. I'll take care of that. Now before doing some action, before doing some live trading, some of the information, some required information, guys, like this trading, this financial market, this is a bit risky. So there is a possibility of partial and fully loss. So always take precautions before taking trades. All the trades which I am going to take during this session, or I have taken in the past, or I'll be doing in the future, everything is based on my practice and my skills. You have to practice also. It's not like that I'll be giving you a strategy, you will be taking 10 trades and you are good to go. You have to take minimum 50 to 100 trades to practice that on, and this you can do on your demo side also. And the third one, even though this session is live, but guys, make sure that you avoid copy trading, because there is a possibility that the trade which I am going to take right away during this live session, whether just suppose there is it's 6:45 in India, and there is a telecast difference which lies somewhere between 30 seconds to 1 minute. So it is quite possible that that window will be visible to you at 6:45 at 30.30 second or at 6:46. So there is a possibility that you will open the same position after some time, and that can lead to some negative results. So please avoid copy trading. But what you can do is learn the strategy, learn about that one, try to find some signals, and send me the all those signals in the comment section, and I'll be taking trades on your behalf, and we will check together that whether you are understanding the strategy and you are able to make profit or not. Of course, I'm the one who is going to enjoy that profit, but at least you will be able to learn that one, and that will be easy for you guys. Okay, so let's do some action. Let's kick off this trading part. We will do some trading, and if any doubts will be there, comment section is there for you guys. Okay, so I have taken one trade when we started. Okay, so that trade was positive, very nice. Okay, Deepak and Abhinav, I'll be talking about your doubt also. First, I'll take hardly 1 or 2 trades just for the more clarification, and then we will talk about your doubt, because that is something like which is very useful information which every trader requires, and that is one of the common mistake which most of the traders are doing. So this is a topic which we should discuss, so for sure I'll be talking about. So guys, see here we can see that 2 confirmation are there. The first one is from the Heiken Ashi and the second one from the stochastic, but I'll not be taking a trade just to be on a safer side, because the MACD is away from the baseline. I'll look for some analysis. Okay, so this signal is quite old, but we can take a risk. So see guys, first confirmation Heiken Ashi candle, the second confirmation from the MACD, and the third confirmation is there from the stochastic also, even though we were able to open this position at the opening of this candle or in the middle of this candle as well, but we were a bit late. But see, this is a mistake which I have done. It's a risk which I have taken. You have to avoid it. The fresher the signal is, the better it could perform. So as we know that we should not try to grab a running train or a running bus. This is something similar to that one. We should not try to grab a signal which is already ongoing. That is a bit risky, but once you will start practicing on the same strategy, you will be able to get that when you should enter, or when you can enter, or when you should avoid. Now just suppose, see, like there is a fluctuation, it is on a verge, there is a possibility that the market will crash and we will lead to a negative result. But if we would have opened at this trade at this level, of course that was supposed to go in the positive side, because there was already a huge margin. But let's see how it goes. Okay, let's look for some another signal. Okay, so first confirmation is there, second is there, the third one is in pipeline, so we have to wait, and I believe this signal will be there. So 4 3 2 1, boom. Okay, still there is a very small margin, and guys, as we can see that there is a possibility that this signal might get generated, but why to work on a dicey signal? Why not to wait for the perfect signal? Because avoiding a negative trade is also a profit for you guys. So, and this strategy that is a bit aggressive, you will be keep on getting signals back to back, so nothing to worry about. You do not need to rush. Very nice. So our trade that was in positive side, if we look for that, so we can see that we won the trade with a very big margin. And one more piece of information, guys, which I forgot to mention, that the suggested time frame for this strategy is 2 to 4 candles. So by mean these candles, so if your trade time frame, if your chart time frame is 1 minute, so trade time is going to be 2, 3 or 4 minutes, and the same if you are going to increase the chart time frame to 5 minutes, you can multiply with the same. And how? Now there might be a question for, in the mind that, sir, 2, 3, 4, so which candle is much suitable for us? So the best which I can suggest is always rely on the data which is visible to you. By it I mean to say that you can do some back testing. All you just need to do is, whenever you are starting your trading in the day, like just suppose if I'll talk about myself, As per the Indian timing, I am starting my day at somewhere around 11 a.m. IST. So I'll be checking the charts from 10 to 11 first, and I'll be making a table. Then I'll be checking that. Just suppose if I will be opening a trade at that place, or at this place, or this place, or this place, or this place. So which trade was supposed to be positive side? Now just suppose if I'll took example of 20 trades for 2 minute, 3 minute, and 4 minute, and I'll come to a conclusion that if I would have taken a 20 trade of 2 minute, I would have led to 16 successful trade, for 3 minute 12, and for 4 minute 18. So I know that 4 minute time is more favorable for me, so I'll be applying for the same. But there is a catch, guys. It's not like that you can rely on a data which you have taken in the morning, early morning, and you will be implementing the same throughout the day. There are a couple of sessions going into the market. The first one is the Asian session, which is starting at somewhere around 9:15 IST, and the second one is London session, which opens at 3 p.m. again IST, and the third one is US New York session, which open up at 7 p.m. And as per my observation, as per my experience, I have found that the fluctuation in the US session, that is a bit higher as compared to the previous two. So whenever you want to trade during the US session, try to avoid trading from 6:30 to 7:30, or try to do some demo trading, or try to take risk with smaller amount, and check whether the time frame which you have picked up in the morning is it working same. Because for today, if I'll talk about, it's working fine for me, but there is a possibility sometime you will be finding a different result. I'll show you the example. So see, in the morning also I was taking 2-minute trade. Now also it's going fine. Let me show you a bit more. Okay, so you can see the time frame is same, but if any changes is going to be there, of course I'll be making some changes. Okay, so hello DS King ji, I hope you are doing good. So one more trade. I'm so sorry, Abhinav and Deepak, I'm so sorry. Let me just take one more trade, and then I'll be coming to your point. Okay, and guys, in the meantime, if you will be finding any signals on any of the your asset, whether it's your favorite or any XYZ asset, make sure you mention in the comment section. And any doubts are there, please feel free to write. Guys, I can see that there is no sound, nothing is there in the comment section. So guys, make some noise, man. Show some action. If you have any doubts, any question, any queries, feel free to write, or just let me know like from where you guys have joined, so at least I'll be aware that till how far my voice is reaching, and you guys I am connecting to you guys. Okay, so there is a possibility of a signal formation. And also guys, one more thing I want to suggest you guys. So whenever you want to take a trade, make sure that you check a couple of previous candles also. By that I mean to say that just check whether there is a trend in the market, because as you know that trend is your friend. There is a old saying in the market. So always hold hand of your friend and then trade. I mean to say that if there is a consolidation, like if there is a flat market, try to avoid trading. So first confirmation is there, second is there, but MACD is far, so we have to wait. But I believe it will touch soon. So I'll wait on the same asset, because it's hardly 27 seconds to go for the next candle, so I'll wait on the same. Okay, very nice. So I can see that I am reaching till Uganda, Africa. Very nice, inshallah. Very nice, very nice. Guys, you can also mention that from where you guys rest of the people are joining. And one more thing, people, guys, please confirm me which is your status on the platform, whether you're on expert level, on starter level, or on advanced level, because there is a very useful information which you can take benefit out of it, and you will be able to make some profits with the help of that service. So if you are on starter level or advanced level, put a minus sign in the comment section, or if you are on, sir, please mention asset name also which you are trading. So DS King ji, I am keep on switching the asset. So right now I am waiting for the signal on Mahajantram, but I can see that there is a doji candle, so there is a possibility of a trend reversal, but I'll be keep on mentioning that also. Okay, so here is a signal. It's a bit dicey, but we'll take a risk. No worries, because I have already made some profit, so I can try. Because see, the first confirmation green candle, the second confirmation MACD crossed the baseline, the third confirmation from the stochastic. Okay, so Shabby mentioned that, bro, I lost 5k. I'm sad to know. Shabby, just let me know that which strategy you have been using, and like what's your experience on the platform, and for sure, we will help you too. Okay, so Abhinav is asking, the candles are dependent only on the market buying or selling, or it's also depend on Olymp Trade platform, because when I try to trade, I feel like that this platform is using my loss and profit data to trap. I'm so sorry to know that, Abhinav, like if you feel that way, but I want to confirm you that everything is depending on the market. Nothing is there in the hand of a broker. And second thing, like we are regulated by government of Venue too, and we are also part of FinCom, Financial Commission. So this is something which we are not able to do. The second thing which we do not want to do. And now a very small question to you, to everyone, guys. If you feel that we are also doing such practice, then you should also think that why we are conducting these webinars, why we are giving these services to help our traders to make profit, because this is something which we also want you to make. We also want you to make profit from the platform, because if you are part of the family, of course we want you to grow in future, whenever, because like that is going to be a very long conversation. So in future, if you will be getting any of your analysts, you will be getting in touch with them, make sure you ask them that how Olymptrade make profits, or you can ask the support team. They will give you the complete clarification, and then you will come to know that why we are also looking for that you should also make some profit. Shabi, please mention me the strategy and the level on the platform. Okay, I believe the third trade that was in the negative side. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, so that was a bit dicey, because I have already seen that MACD was very near to this zero base level, but nothing to worry, we will try to recover it. Okay, so I will wait on this asset, and now I'll talk about the question. Bro, I use sliding on average strategy. This is something good, Shabi, but I believe you are on a starter level, and Shabi, I just request you to try to get some more information about some couple of more strategies, and also work on your risk management, money management. What is that? I'll talk about that, because this is something which Deepak and Abhinav is also looking to have a conversation about. So okay, just a minute. Okay, so I'll talk about the money management with an example. So just suppose if I have made a deposit of $100 in my account. Now I want to make some profit. Of course, everybody want to make a profit. It's not like I want to make a profit. So now just suppose, like when I'll start my day, I'll come up with a target, and that target is not for one day. That is going to be for at least 7, 15 or 30 days. So now just suppose I want to make a profit, and I want to convert my $100 into 600, which includes my deposit also. So I want to earn a profit of 500, and this total spam is time frame is 7 days. Now what should be my strategy, what is going to be the money management, how it is going to work, everything I'll be talking about that one. The first one, so the first target, I'll divide that 500 with number of days, so that somewhere around I need to make $71 in a day, so I'll be able to achieve my target within the span of 7 days. Second thing, now of course every day is not Christmas, every day is not Diwali, it's not a full moon night, so every day you are not going to make profit, guys. This is a harsh truth, but this is so. You have to come up with a stop loss also. It's not only take profit, you have to come with the stop loss. So I'm just giving you a rough example to make it easy for you whenever you will calculate for yourself. Now just suppose my $70 is my target for take profit, So whichever is your target for the profit, 50, 60, 70 or 80% of that profit amount is going to be your stop loss. A rough example, again, 70% of $70 is somewhere around $49, $50. So $50 is going to be my stop loss and $70 is going to be my take profit. Now the situation is, and the condition is, if I'll be able to make $70 profit in a day, I'll stop my trading. If I'll be facing a loss of $50, I'll stop my trading. Second condition. Now just suppose if I'll first thing, like what is the benefit of that one? Now just suppose if you have made a deposit of $100 and your stop loss is $50, you can keep it lesser also, you can keep it higher also, but I'll suggest at least make it 50, or better to keep it lesser. Now just suppose if you have kept it as $50 and the first day that was not good, you made some negative results and you touched your stop loss. Still there is $50 pending in your account which you can use on the next day to recover it. It's not like that if you have lost some money you have to recover on the same day. There is a possibility that your strategy is not working, your technique is not working, market is not good, it's not your day, any XYZ reason could be there, and as a result you were not able to make profit, then come next day. Second thing, now just suppose, okay, but by the way, why Olymptrade support team do not support call facility? Abhinav, once you will reach on the expert level, you will get an option here. So once you will click on the help section, so you will get a support button, so you will be able to see that chat and tap to see the number. Once you will click on the tap to see number, that will be available to you, so you will be able to make a call. Okay, so now I'll talk like the another benefit of keeping a stop loss. So now just suppose if your stop loss is $50, so if you will be taking two trades each for $25 and both of your trades are negative, of course you are going to be out of the market. After that, doesn't matter that how many opportunities are going to be there, you are not you will not be able to take benefit of that. So that will help you to get a hold on your risk ability. That will help you to work on your money management. So it will tell you, buddy, if you are going to take two trades for 25 each, of course you are going to move out of the market if there is any sudden fluctuation. So that will help you, or that will push you to take trade hardly for $1, $2 or not more than $3. And more the trades, more the opportunity, more the opportunity, more chances to win it. And second thing, now just suppose me and my friend, we both are trading, he took a trade for $100, I took a trade for $2, both of the trades were negative. How much pressure is there on my mind and how much pressure is there on his mind? So lesser the pressure, better the trading will be there, because you will not fall for some signals which are not generated properly or which are not genuine properly. You will wait calmly and then you will look for the signal which is more better for you to take a trade. So that is how it is going to help you. Now I'll come to the part of Abhinav, that how much profitability or the success rate a strategy works. But what I believe, that the better the money management, the better the results can be there. With an example, let me clear it. Now just suppose I took 4 trades each for $10 and every trade was positive. As a result, with the profitability, just make an example of 80%. As a with an example of 80%, I managed to make $32 in my bucket. That is my profit. So my success rate 100%, 4 trade, profit $32. Now of course there is greed in my mind. Of course I'm so sorry for my harsh word, but of course, like, there is a greed in our self, that which help us to increase the amount, or like which push us that buddy, your all trades are going into the positive side, so of course you should increase the amount. Makes sense. It's basic. It's something like which is happening to everyone, but how much, that is a question. So in this, at this level, your money management will come into the picture. First scenario, which mostly traders are doing. So what they will do, from $10 each, they will increase the amount and then they will take a trade of $50 or $100. Let's take an example of $50. Now just suppose you took the 5th trade for $50 out of curiosity, out of fluctuation, because of any XYZ reason, that trade lead to a negative results. What's your P and L. You made a profit of $32, you made a loss of $50, so you are with the negative balance of $18. If I'll check your percentage or your success rate, out of 5 trades, 4 trades were positive, 80% success rate, but still your P&L is showing as a minus balance. Second situation. Now I'll come into the picture again with the money management. So what money management will say, okay buddy, if you want to increase the amount, increase it, but increase it in such a way that if you will face a negative result, you will your deposit amount will not get suffered, or you will still remain in profit. By that I mean to say that increase the amount by $2 or $5. Now just suppose I took 2 more trades, the same situation, 4 trades positive, $10 each, $32 profit, next 2 trades $15 each, both trade into the negative side. Total 6 trades, 4 trade positive, 2 negative. Now let's see the P&L again. My success rate decreased from 80 to somewhere around 75. But if I'll check my P&L, I made a profit of $32, but I made a loss of $30. Still I am with the profit of $2. So I believe, Abhinav, this question, your answer is there with you, that it's not only the percentage of your strategy which helps you to make profit, it is also your discipline, trading discipline, your money management, risk management, which plays a very vital role to help you to make some profit on the platform. So please grab a hand of that, because this is something which is as I mentioned, trend is your friend. So risk management and money management, that is one of your best friend. Okay, Shabi, as you mentioned that you are on a starter level, so I request you to please subscribe the channel, stay connected, keep on joining these sessions. There are a lot of videos which we have uploaded in the past, so check all of them. And it's not like that the strategy which you are using, that is not something good, or you will not be able to make profit. You can, buddy, trust me, you can make profit, but everyone have to be patient and they have to practice first, rather than, of course, like you guys might be excited to learn this strategy, that this is very easy. You have to just check on the candle colors, and then you have to check on the MACD stochastic, and then you will be able to take profits. But there are some hidden catches which you will be able to find once you will be trading on the platform. And it's not required that you have to trade on the live account itself. You can practice it on a demo as well, and once you will get a grab on the strategy, then take it to the live account. And again, risk management, money management, something which you have to hold a hand. Because I'm sure everything is clear to you guys. If you will be having any doubts, make sure you mention into the comment section. And if you are liking the information, the conversation which I am talking about, or everything, you can rate my conversation as well from 0 to 5. 0 is the worst one, 5 is the best one. Even if it's worst, you can mention. Nothing to worry about that one. No grudges, nothing, no hard feelings. I'll take it as a feedback. Of course, I'll be working on my information, just to respecting that you guys are sparing your time, I'm sparing my time, so that will be useful for both of us. Whatever I'm talking about, that should be useful for you, and whatever you want to listen or you want to have the information, you should be having that. Okay, so make sure spare hardly 5 to 7 seconds and just rate my conversation, and I'll be taking some more trades. Okay, so there is a question again from Shabi and Sarah. So first I'll talk about this, sir. Is forex trading is profitable? See, Shabi, forex is also good. This is something, of course, thank you so much for reminding about the forex. Also, I'll teach how you can use it on the forex as well. But yes, on forex there are a lot of benefits. Like you can use the forex trading mode also. The first one, like you can put a stop loss and take profit. Like just suppose if you have taken a trade for $10 and the market is going into the negative side, like just suppose you have taken a trade in upward direction, market going into the negative side. So once that market will touch your stop loss, your position will be closed. And just suppose you have applied a stop loss of 50%. So once you will lose $5 only, that trade will be closed. So still you will be left with $5. But if you will be able to make some profit, then of course you that will be calculated on the basis of total amount. And one more thing, that on forex mode, if I'll talk about the trading, that there are a couple of data which is releasing into the market, like CPI, PPI, GDP or NFP. There are a couple of data so which is releasing, and sometime at that specific time zone FTT is closed, so you can open some trades in forex and make some profit. Okay, Sarangji is asking, sir, do you trade on Saturdays and Sundays? Sir, it depends on my target. Mostly, I am able to achieve my target with my first 6 days. But sometimes, if I want to make some extra bucks or there is some extra need to make some extra bucks, so of course I am doing some trading. So, all in all, yes, I am doing trading on weekends also. Not that aggressively, but I am doing. And now I'll talk about, guys, that how we can use this strategy on forex. That is very easy, but all you just need to go for a longer time duration, because you know that the longer the position you will hold in forex, the more profit you will be able to make. And the best part of forex, it's not like you will be able to make a profit of 91, 93, 89 or something like that. If market is going in your favor, you will be able to make profit way more than that. I have an example, like there is a trader who made a very tremendous trade in forex and he was able to make a very nice profit. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to share the complete details, but trust me, guys, he made something very nice trade, and he hold that position for a couple of days and make a very huge profit. So how you can use it, just change the time zone, time frame for the chart from 1 minute to at least minimum 1 hour. The same, we just need to focus on the signals. The first one, the candle itself, the second one from MACD, and the third one from stochastic. So in this one, how this, it is going to help you to make some profits. So whenever we will be opening a position from the overbought zone or oversold zone, so this is a overbought and this is the oversold zone. So just suppose you will be opening a position at this level, so you know that once the market will reach this level, of course there is a possibility that there will be a reversal. So it will give you an indication that at this level you are supposed to open a position, and at this level you are supposed to close it. You can hold it for a couple of more minutes, like once it will reach that, or the best which I'll suggest, that once it will reach here or cross this level and start coming back, just close it. And again you can open a position at this level, once it will again come into this picture, and hold it till. So this is how you can use the same strategy in forex. All you just need to increase the time window of the chart time frame. Okay, market is touching my stop loss and it goes reverse. Okay, see Shabby, no need to get upset. Please try to grab a hold on a strategy. There are a lot of things you need to know, as you need to understand. As you mentioned that you are on a starter level, so if you are new into the trading, try to improve your skills. This is not something a rocket science like which you will not be able to understand. Of course you can, buddy, but you have to spend some time. You are investing your money only, you have to invest some time also. And guys, for all of my friends, those who are new to the platform or those who want to learn this trading, like you can join these sessions. Of course we are conducting webinars, live webinars on this channel, so make sure you subscribe it. Second, there is one more way you can understand some of the basic things on the platform. Go to the help section and explore these 3 tabs: help center, trading tutorials, and education. You will be getting a lot of information: deposit, withdrawal, making forecast. Like as you can see that there are a couple of lessons available here also. So many information is there. Make sure you check everything. Deepak ji, I'll come to your question also for the martingale. Just allow me a minute. So, and Shabi, one more thing, this is for you especially and for another traders also, those are new on the platform, those who are very keen to learn and want to make some extra bucks. So there is one website which you can explore. The name of the website, this is always one of the website which I am always talking about during my session. This is Investopedia. I'll repeat myself, it's Investopedia. Just look for that website on the Google and explore that website. Go into the search bar, look for chart patterns, candle patterns, price action, and look for support resistance and learn about that thing. There are a couple of things, like initially you will feel that there are a lot of things, but once you will learn about these all of them, you will find that it's not that difficult to understand. And with the help of even if you will be able to grab a hold on support resistance, you will be able to make some nice trades on composites. But it's not a direct recommendation, guys. I'll repeat myself, it's not like that you are able to get a hold on the support resistance, you will start making some trade with an infinite amount on the composite. Still you need to focus, you need to apply risk management, money management, you have to practice. I'll repeat this name of the website again, it's Investopedia. Now I'll come to the question of Deepak. Deepak, as you mentioned that, sir, can I follow anti-martingale plan 2-3 steps? Sir, if I'll talk about that thing, there is only one thing, the martingale or anti-martingale, what it states that you are not applying it. So please clarify that whether you want to understand by you want to apply martingale or you do not want to apply. If I'll talk about myself, I am using martingale, but not more than 3 steps. 3 is my maximum level. After that I am not using martingale. Again I am coming back to the lowest amount. And there is one more difference which in my martingale which I am using, or there is a possibility that which you might be using. So what for all the traders, like those who are not aware about what martingale is, so what martingale states that whenever you are facing a negative results, increase the trade amount, double it. So in case if you will be able to make a profit, of course you will be able to recover the previous lost amount. With an example, just suppose the first trade I have taken for $5, that was in negative, the second trade will be for $10. Now just suppose the second trade is also negative, so 10 plus 5 is 15, so very next trade will be for $30. Now just suppose the $30 trade is also negative, so 30 plus 10 plus 5, 45, so next one will be for 90. But there is one catch, guys. If you will keep on multiplying the amount like this way, you will end up at a time that you will be exhausting your complete portfolio in a very short span. So that is the reason that I am also using martingale, but max to max up to 3 steps. The second thing what I am doing in during my martingale, that whenever I am increasing my amount, I'll tell you both the reason that why I am using only 3 steps and how I am increasing the amount. So the first one, why I am using only 3 steps. Now just suppose, guys, if my 3 trades were back to back negative, then there is no surety that fourth one is also going to be in the positive side. Of course there is a possibility that that will also go to the negative side. So rather than grabbing a hold, trying to grab a hold on market with a trade of $100, why not to try it with $1? And once you will come to a conclusion that okay, market is stable now, you are making profit, again increase it. So what I'll be doing, just suppose my first trade is for $10, the second one is again I increase the amount, the third one again I increase the amount. So the fourth trade, if all 3 trades were negative, the fourth trade I'll not be taking with $10. You can start with the same amount which you have started with your martingale, or the best which I'll suggest, which help me to get a hold on my risk management, I'll take a trade with $1 only. I'll check whether market is in my under my hand, whether I'm able to grab a hold on that or not. If yes, I'll take 3-4 trades for $1 each. I'll start making profit from 1. I'll start making increasing it to 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this way I'll again make it $10. Second thing, as I have already clarified that how martingale works, that keep on doubling the amount, there is one more way that how you can recover the previous loss by increasing the amount. But in this one you will be able to take a couple of extra trades with the same amount. First example, $10 trade, $5 trade negative, the second for $10 negative, so 10 plus 5, 15, so the third trade for $30. So the total portfolio that was for $45, which went into the negative side when I was using my martingale. Second thing, Armanji, everything is working fine, as I believe that UPI there is no such issue, but still if you are facing any difficulties, just take a screenshot of that one and share it with the support team. So far I believe there is no such issues. I had conversation with a lot of traders, and none of them mentioned something like that. So I believe it's working fine. Yeah. So now I'll come to the martingale again. So now just suppose I have taken 3 trades, $45 negative. Now the martingale which I am going to use. First trade I'll be taking with the $5, of course, that went into the negative side. Rather than making it $10, I'll take the second trade with the $7. Why? Now just suppose if my $7 is going to be in a positive side, of course I am going to make a profit which will help me to recover my previous loss. Now just suppose my second trade was also negative. So 7 plus 2 is 12. So my third trade, that is going to be for hardly 14, or make it $15, or make it $16, just to make a round figure. Now just suppose me and my friend, we both are trading together. We both use martingale. He used the first one. He's with the negative balance of $45, and now I use the same martingale which I have suggested just now. So I have the negative balance of $30. So by using the same techniques, same strategy, I have extra $15 which will help me to recover more, or which will help me to take more trades. And this is something which I am always suggesting to all of my traders, guys. Rather than making deposits again and again, make a single deposit. Doesn't matter, like it doesn't mean that if I am saying make a single deposit, that then it should be for $1,000 or $2,000. Make it same, whether you want to make it $100, but try to use that one deposit again and again. I repeat myself, rather than making a deposit again and again, use one single deposit again and again. And that's how. Now just suppose we both were in the same situation. He lost $45. Now again I have $15 again in my bucket. So I'll start taking trades with $1 each. Just suppose my first 5 trades were negative again. Still I am left with $10. Again I started taking trades with $1 each. I got 4 trades, $1 each positive. I increased my amount. I started taking trades with $2 each. Again I made some profit. Again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again I am at a level that when my friend is sitting and doing nothing, and I am making profit with the same portfolio which he was also having. And this is the power of risk management and money management, because in this financial market there is a possibility, there is an opportunity which can convert the complete picture, and sometime you will find some positions when you will be making a huge difference with a very small portfolio. So guys, this is something you should take care. Okay, so Deepak ji is saying anti-martingale, if I place $1 trade and I win this trade, then the second trade is 180. Sir, you can do one that thing also. That is something which I'll consider in the part of risk management. Of course, you can do that thing, but see, trust one more thing. Now, just suppose the first trade was positive and the success profitability was 80% only. You may manage to make it 80 cents. Now, what you are doing, you are taking a trade with the total deposit plus your total profit which you have made so far. That I believe that is not a good decision, but I'll suggest try to grab a small piece of cake, or like small piece of that profit. You can take increase the amount, but increase it slowly. Just make it 1.2 or 1.3. I know that 50 cent is not going to make a huge difference, but just suppose you have taken the trades in a such in the same manner, and you managed to make some profit, and behind every trade you saved 50 cent, and you took 100 trades in a day or 1000 trades in a day, then it is going to make a huge difference, and that is also going to help you to build your portfolio. So this is how you can use anti-martingale also, but you can try to save some money, and this is how which that will help you to reach to a position when you will be holding a very nice profit, and your deposit, that is going to be a different call. And at that level you can do one thing: make a withdrawal and start trading with your profit itself, rather than putting your deposit on stake. Just trade with your profit, and that can help you which will not never lead you to a negative side, and nothing will go out of your pocket. Of course, the profit which you have made, that is also supposed to be go into your pocket. But in case, guys, just suppose in case if you are not able to grab a hold on that one because of XYZ reason, fluctuation, day is not good, or over trading, still you are facing some negative results, and you make it zero again, still at least nothing went out of your pocket. Again, that is a part of risk management. So I have taken one more trade. It can take couple of minutes. I believe that trade will go into the positive side because there are so many confirmation, but let's see how it goes. But so far, guys, I believe that you like the information whichever I have shared, and I have cleared all your doubts. And again, thank you so much, guys, for joining this session. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Stay safe and stay healthy. Keep trading, but keep practicing also. And by stating this, guys, I want to say bye bye to bye bye you guys, and stay connected. Please subscribe the channel and be part of the family. Stay in touch. Join our future session also to learn a few more strategies. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for sparing your time. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Cheers. This is Kunal Kapoor, your financial expert, taking a leave for the day. Cheers. Bye bye.